Guys, today I'm going to show you how to add automatic subtitles to video in Canva and generate captions. To start, feel free to check the links in the description below for bonuses and tools that might help you with our topic in this video. At your Canva dashboard, just click on Create from the options to the left, and we are going to search for video or select the videos option on the left. And I'm just going to select video landscape, and you can select formats right here depending on the size of your video. I'm just going to select the landscape option. And we have some menu options at the left. Let's go to uploads, go to the videos tab and upload your file right here by clicking on this button and select the video that you want to generate captions for. Once it is done uploading, it should be within this tab. So just click on it and it will automatically be added to your canvas like this. First, resize your video on the canvas so that it fills the whole frame. And at the bottom, you will be able to see a timeline wherein you can drag the sliders at the edge of your video so you can adjust its duration if you'd like that. I'm just gonna cut it. And once you're done adjusting its duration and its size on the canvas, let's go to apps on the left. And we are going to search for subtitles. In here, let's select animated subtitles and click on start right there. Now select your video on the timeline and click on export. It will then read your video, and regarding on how long it takes, it will depend on the duration of your video. So let's just wait for it. And you will then be asked to pick an animation style. So just scroll through these animation styles that they have. And once you find one that you like, just simply click on it, and you will then be able to change some details such as the font size, the position, as well as the font color and the highlight color, or depending on the style of subtitles you have selected. So just click on the drop down menu options and you can then choose one that you like. Once you have set your preferences, you can then click on generate at the bottom and it will transcribe your audio to subtitles. And once that is done, you will then see a transcription of your video at the left, and you can then go through these and make sure that everything is correct and transcribed correctly. And if not, you can type it in here and make some corrections. And once you're done, just click on generate video with subtitles. And once it has been completed, you should be able to see your video under the history tab, and you can then click on it and you can see a preview of your video right here. And once you are satisfied, just click on add to design and it will then be added to your canvas like that. And we can then delete the old original video, select it and click on the trash icon at the top, and then resize the new video with the subtitles to fill up your whole canvas. And now you can click on share at the top right, download it as an MP4 video and click on download right here. Thanks for watching, and again, you can check out the links in the description box for more resources to help you get started. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.